To create a tuple in Python, you are going to use this type of parenthesis. Now you cannot add or remove any value to the tuple, but what you are going to do, you are going to cast the tuple and change it to a list. Now you are able to apply any function or any operations on list here. So you can add an element to the list. So now we added apple. Now what you are going to do, you can change it back to tuple by casting again. So z will be tuple y. Now to print the elements, we are going to use the for loop for x in z print x. Now you see apple. Now what if you add another value here? 5. See? You are going to see in the tuple apple and 5. Thank you.